Hi, everybody. How are you doing? And how are you really doing right now? What a question to ask ourselves here and there. What is it like to be you in your body right now? In your heart, in your mind? What's your energy like? So often we think that in order to be at ease or grounded, we need to have a certain profile of thoughts, emotions, and sensations. But we can always really drop into the essence of our being, the nature of mind that is innately at rest, regardless of what's happening in its dynamic energy. And let's have a short practice session to look at that directly with a metaphor. So take a moment to feel your feet on the ground. You can close your eyes if you like, it might be useful. Or lower your gaze. And now imagine the surface of the ocean with lots of waves, some small waves, some big waves. Allow yourself to lower all the way to the bottom of the ocean that is at rest. The bottom of the ocean is at rest, whether there are huge waves or no waves on the surface. The same is true for the essence of our being. It's just a matter of where we place our attention. Is it on the dynamic energy of our mind that's always going here or there? That's its thing. Or can we access and rest as the nature, the depth of mind for a moment? Pausing throughout our day here and there to just tap into that, just for a moment to get a sense of this depth, of this essence of our being, has been profoundly liberating for me. It's one thing to notice how I'm really doing. The next step is to notice that regardless of how I'm doing, I can be at rest. I can find a moment of peace and serenity amidst that, exactly as I am. And with that, this peace and serenity begin to pervade more and more of our day. So short moments throughout the day, again and again, and it begins to pervade more and more of our day. I'd love to hear how that resonates and if you put it to test, what that's like for you. Take care, everybody. Be well.